Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Sai Charan and you're watching ENK Learning Hub. This is the last video of this playlist and today we will be discussing new concepts such as Windows. So please listen patiently and this might be a lengthy video, okay? So let us start the question. For each day, display the total amount of admissions on the day. Display the amount changed from the previous date. So to make you understand, let me open this expected output. See, so here what they are doing is, let's take this date, admission date 2018 6/7. So there were nine admissions on that particular date. So on this particular date, that is 7th, there were nine admissions. And if you see the admissions on the previous day, so that is 6th. So there were 17. So what is the difference? So 9 minus 17, right? So that is minus 8. So this is what we need to do. So based on we need to check the difference between present day as well as the previous day. So this is what we need to do. So let us do, let us solve, so let us try. So select from which table we are extracting. So admissions. What do you think? Are we required to grouping? So we need to group it, right? So I am grouping this. So group by. So group by on what basis? See, we need to know how many admissions were happened or admitted admissions in that particular day, right? In that particular day. So if we can group it on based on admission date, that is fine, right? So admission date, grouping over admission date. So let us extract admission date, comma, count star. So and then I am naming it as today. So is that fine? Because these are all admissions. So let's say there were 10 admissions on that particular day. So that is the reason I am saying it as of today. Okay. So now to achieve, we need to know the count of admissions of the previous day, right? So to do such type of things, there is a concept called windows. So by using of these windows only we can achieve this. Okay, so to do that, let me make it as a CTE. Okay, with a CTE as okay. So now, so I am solving this. So select. So as see, if you can see that we need admission date as well as today's admission, right? So star. Let me keep it as a star. So now, so do you know the meaning of lag? What does lag mean? See, lag means something behind, right? Something behind. So here there is a concept called windows. So in this windows there is another facility called lag. Okay, lag. See, generally, so aggregation over of partition by over by order by. So generally, this is how a Windows function look like. So it will be having some aggregation and then over, and then there is a partition and order by class. Okay. So this is how general uh, Windows function look like. So what we need here, there were different aggregations. It could be count, sum, lead, rank. There were n number of rank, dense rank. There were n number of aggregations here. We have. Okay. So what we are doing, as we need the previous one. So the previous one. So that is the reason I am using lag. So lag over order by. See, to know, and after ordering only we can say which is previous year, which is after day, after next day, right? So see here. So they are ordered 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So they are ordered. So they are ordered. So unless we order, we cannot say the, see, let us say there were random, the dates were random. How we can say? So first there is a fifth date, next there is second date. Can we say that fifth is the previous day? No, we cannot, right? So that is the reason first I am ordering it. Ordering based on admission date. Okay. So now, so what they are asking, lag. Which value we need? See here. Let us take, this is the, we are now here. Okay, 28, 6, 7. On that particular day, there were 9 admissions. So, and which value we need? The lag means. So we need 17, right? We need 17, right? So here we named it as today. So what I need? I need today value of previous one, of previous row. So see here I am on this particular record, If I say lag of today, So it is going to this value, lag of today. This is the value. Okay. So that's what I am extracting. So but what they are asking, for change, right? So what I am saying, today minus this value. So 9, today is 9 and the lag value is 17. So 9 minus 17. This is how I am doing. Okay. As change from CTE. So this is the query. Let's check it. Yes, we got correct answer. Let's move on to next question. Right. See, here this is one of the interesting question here. Sort the provenance name in ascending order in such a way that the provenance Ontario is always top. So how you can achieve this? So there are different types of uh, approaches. So let us do first. So select from, so provenance names order by, right? So this is the, so and then they are asking only for provenance name only. Okay, provenance name. So what they are asking, so they are saying that only Ontario should be on top, right? Ontario should be on the top. So here what I am doing, I'm separating Ontario here. I'm separating Ontario using case. Case when provenance name is equals to Ontario. Ontario. Spelling correct? Yeah, Ontario. Then one else 0. Else 0. Else 0. Okay. So this is the case. And then so Ontario should come first, right? So Ontario is, we are selecting Ontario as 1 and rest of the province names as 0, right? So let us order descending. Let us order descending. So this is it. Yeah, we got this. We got this. So we can do different based on different types. Okay. So let's move on to next question. So this is one of the easy level question. As you, if you have seen all my last videos, you can solve it very easily. So let us see this. We need a breakdown for the total amount of admissions of each doctor has started each year. Show the doctor ID, doctor full name, specialty, year, total admissions for that year. So this is very simple, right? So select from. So there are two tables. So obviously we will go with joins. As we need every doctor information, I am going with left join. Doctor says D, left join, admissions as a D dot doctor ID is equals to A dot attending doctor ID. So now, so what they are asking, for every doctor and for every year, right? For every doctor, for every year, how many admissions were taken? So what we can do, so obviously this is group by. So for every doctor, I am grouping first. So based on doctor ID, first I am grouping them. So for this doctor, who are all the patients he had? Okay, how many admissions there? Now what I need for every year, also. So year of admission data. So this is the ordering. This is the way of ordering, right? So select, sorry, grouping. This is the way of grouping. Sorry. So now we need doctor ID. We need doctor ID and then doctor's full name. So obviously concatenation of first name, last name as full name, and then specialty. So as year of admission date, and then so total admissions, obviously count star, right? As total admissions for that year. So this is it. So let us check this query. So some syntax error, where is this? Year D. From doctors as D, left join admissions as a data. Okay. Here D syntax error. Select doctor ID, concata, first name, last name as full name, specialty, year of admissions, date, count star as total admissions. Yes, this is fine. From doctors as D. Yes, this is also fine. Left join admissions as A. Yeah, is here it is. So on, right? On. Yeah. Let us see. Yes, we got correct answer. And then guys, till date we have solved around 70 problems from two different playlists, right? So many of them are not watching the video completely. That is fine. So, but still, share this content to many number of people like who are trying for data analysts. So this is so SQL is very important. Okay, SQL is very important. Who are trying to be a data analyst. So and then these are all the concepts. We have covered a number of concepts of SQL. And if you can solve these type of all these questions from SQLpractice.com, and then so it will be very easy. It will be very easy. And then you will be very familiar with all different types of concepts of SQL. So and then see SQL is a evergreen. SQL is evergreen. And then if you saw if you can see if you can compare different types of SQLs. So MySQL, it could be Postgres, it could be Oracle. So all this will be similar. They may have different functionalities, additional features they might have, but basic querying will be same. So it will be very helpful to everyone. So if you can see all these videos, you will be literally you will be very familiar with basic concepts of SQL from next days onwards. So maybe within after next week, I will be helping out you with the different interview questions, the basic interview questions, which they might ask you in yeah, in interviews. Okay, so I will be helping out with you. So basic MCQ levels. Okay, MCQ interviews. So I will be helping out with you. I will be making some shorts. Okay, so and then even I will be coming back with some high level questions with the high level questions. Okay, so please do watch and share these videos. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more content.